Hello students, now you have an idea about spherical lenses. Before going to ray diagrams, you have to know which rays we have to consider to locate the images. Let us see what are they. Here you can see, first we have to study about the convex lens. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens after refraction passes through the principal focus. In this diagram you can see this is a convex lens. O is the optical center. You know, in case of a lens, two foci there. First one F1, that is principal focus, and here also F2 there, another principal focus. Like that C1 and C2 centers of curvature. Here you can see a ray of light that is parallel to the principal axis after refraction, that is passing through the principal focus on the other side of the lens. You can see the second rule for this convex lens. A ray of light passing through the principal focus after refraction will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Here you can see a ray of light that is passing through F1, passing through the principal focus of this convex lens. After refraction, the ray will emerge parallel to the principal axis. So, a ray of light passing through the principal focus of a convex lens after refraction will emerge as parallel to the principal axis. The third ray which you can consider is the ray that is passing through the optical center of the lens. You know, if a ray is passing through the optical center of the lens, it can go through that without any deviation. Here you can see a ray of light passing through the optical center of a convex lens will emerge without any deviation. Children, for drawing ray diagrams in case of convex lens, you can select any two rays of these three. Like convex lens, in case of concave lens also we have to learn three rules. First one, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction appears to come from the principal focus on the same side of the lens. Here you can see this is a concave lens, a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, the ray is passing like this. Here you can see the ray appears to come from this point, that is a point on the principal axis. You know, that is principal focus. Appears to come from this point or appears to diverge from this point. So the second rule, here you can see a ray of light that is not passing through F2, that is directing towards F2, directing towards the principal focus F2. After refraction, you can see the ray will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Here this is the ray, and here you can see that dotted line. No, that means the ray is directed towards the principal focus. Then what will happen to that ray? Here the ray will refract. This is the refracted ray. The refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. Look children, here you can see a ray of light that is passing through the optical center of the concave lens. Here you can see the ray is passing through this without any deviation. So our rule is, a ray of light passing through the optical center of a lens will emerge without any deviation. So here now we have three rays. Among these three rays, any two you can consider to locate image. Okay students, in next class we will discuss about the image formation by convex lenses.